Welcome to the School of Fun, where the learning's never done. With Miss T, we'll make some dreams, science, crafts, and snacks it seems. Let's use our imagination and spark our exploration. From fun experiments to games to play, come along and join today.
Hi friends, welcome to my School of Fun. I'm Miss T. And guess what? Easter is right around the corner. That's why today's episode is all about science experiments that have everything to do with Easter. So first, we're going to be doing the bouncy egg experiment. Have you ever heard of this one? Have you ever seen an egg that can bounce without cracking? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's actually possible. So we're going to get an egg and put it in a cup. And then we're going to fill the cup with some white vinegar. And we want to completely submerge the egg. So pour until it's covered. All right, now what happens here is a chemical reaction. The white vinegar is actually composed of acetic acid, and then the eggshell is composed of calcium carbonate. And when the two come together, they have a chemical reaction that creates carbon dioxide. And so, if you can tell, there are little bubbles all over the surface of the egg. That means this chemical reaction is slowly dissolving that calcium carbonate on the shell. And the shell is eventually going to just disappear. It's going to dissolve. Isn't that so cool? Well, if we were to leave this sitting overnight, in the morning we would see that the egg looks clear. You can actually see inside of the egg. So let me show you what it looks like if we were to let it sit overnight. So this is what it looks like once we've let it sit overnight. I rubbed the shell off, anything that was left over, and now it's smooth and it's not hard. I can drop it and it bounces. Isn't that so cool? Now you might notice that the egg actually also looks like it swelled up, and that's because this membrane is semi-permeable, which means that the water from the vinegar can move through that membrane and make the egg look like it's bigger now. Now, I wonder if we can dye these eggs like we do Easter eggs. I wonder if the membrane will show a color just like the shell does normally. Let's try it out. All right, to dye our bouncy egg, I'm just using this little Easter egg dyeing kit. And so it came with a cup and it came with little tablets of different colors, and I'm going to use pink since it's one of my favorite colors. And now that we have the color in there, I'm going to drop gently the bouncy egg inside. And now we're going to let that sit for a while and see what it looks like and see if it actually turns pink. All right. While we're waiting, why don't we do another science experiment? All right, this next experiment is a jelly bean experiment. So we are going to take a plate and line some jelly beans along the outer edge. That might have been too many. We're just gonna scoot them to the edge. All right, so now the jelly beans look like so. And we are going to take some warm water and pour it along the edges of the jelly beans. So what this shows is diffusion. When the warm water mixes with the sugary layer of the colors of the jelly beans, the colors start to come off the jelly beans and they move from an area of higher concentration, where that color is, to the area of lower concentration. So it's called diffusion because the colors diffuse through the water towards the center. Now we are going to do a sink or float experiment with Easter eggs. So I'm going to fill these up with something and we are going to guess if it will sink or if it will float. and then we'll see what happens and see if you're right. Okay, to begin, I am just going to do an empty egg. So let's see, do you think it will sink or do you think it will float? Let's see. It's floating. All right, let's check something else. Let's see. If I were to put 4 jelly beans in this one, will it sink or will it float? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we ready? Let's see. It's floating. All right. Let's try another one. Let's see. If I fill this with some coins, do you think it will sink? Or do you think it will float? Let's see. Oh, that one sank. Yeah, that's really heavy with all those coins in there. Okay, let's try another one. How about a peep? Do we think it will sink or will it float? It's floating. All right, let's try one more. Let's see. How about some rocks? Do we think it will sink or do we think it will float? Let's see. Oh, that one sank too, just like the pennies. It's really dense with those rocks. That was so fun. I love doing little games with these Easter eggs, like an Easter egg hunt, filling it with treats. Do you like to go on Easter egg hunts? Maybe you get some chocolate in your Easter eggs or even some money. That is so cool. All right, let's check on our bouncy egg and see if it actually turned pink. Let's see. The membrane still turned pink when it was in the dye. That is so cool. Ooh, I have an idea. I'm gonna dry it off so then we can see if it bounces. Okay, it's all dry. Let's see if it bounces. I still just think that's so awesome that it doesn't splat open and get egg yolk everywhere. That membrane is really solid. That's so fun. I highly recommend dyeing some bouncy eggs. I hope you all had fun today. I'll see you next time. Bye.